A key to good information management is making sure your data is both secure and easily accessible. But this is only scratching the surface of what Therefore can do. Let's look at using Therefore to improve the way you work with information in your business and the way you handle the processes through which your information needs to travel. For instance, let's look at this fictitious, simplified example of handling automobile claims. A client phones in a new claim. The employee creates the claim in Therefore. If they have a client database, filling out the claim can be much more efficient. The new claim triggers a workflow, which starts by sending a confirmation email to the client with a request for paperwork and instructions on where they can take their car for repair quotes. The workflow then proceeds to the claim manager, who waits until the claimant has provided the necessary paperwork. When this is done, the claim can be processed. Since the inspector's report can be done while waiting for the repair shops, the workflow can be split into parallel paths. Another way of opening tasks is from the workflow inbox. Colors in the hit list show workflow tasks that are reaching or have reached their deadlines. The inspector has a link to a report template with the claim information filled out automatically from the index data. A condition can be built in, which allows the task to be completed only when the report has been saved to Therefore. The other parallel path waits for the 2 repairs quotes to arrive. If they do not arrive within 7 days, it escalates for a follow-up. When the quote is saved, the workflow can progress and the claim can be assessed. Let's look at this now on the design end. Therefore's drag and drop based workflow engine makes it possible to model and optimize such processes via a user-friendly graphical interface. The first task in our workflow was an automatic email which can be easily customized and dynamically populated using information from the claim. The next step is a manual task for the claim manager, who waits until the claimant has provided the necessary paperwork. Once the claim is ready for processing, we use an automatic split task to split into 2 parallel paths. We provided the inspector with a link to the template. These links trigger a template profile which contains all the mapping information for populating the report and then saving it to the correct category. The link can even be configured to automatically move to the next task once the inspector has saved the report. On the other path, we used an automatic routing task for checking if the repairs quotes have arrived. An SQL statement in the condition checks for the quotes in the category and moves the workflow on for assessment as soon as these arrive. By using an escalation transition, we can send the process to a manager if the quotes have not arrived within the set duration. What about workflow statistics? For in-depth statistics like the average or maximum task time, a database reporting tool can be used to create reports from the Therefore database. To check for bottlenecks and overdue tasks, there is a statistics view in the Therefore Navigator. Therefore Workflow, helping you optimize your document and case processes.